say that again.
You just gotta be word. Baby girl, you just gotta be word.
Hold up.
You got be word. You got be word. You got be word. You got be word.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this cute bronze makeup tutorial that I did today. I was feeling very monochromatic, very brown tones, warm tones, you know, my roots. Today I teamed up with Deck of Scarlet to show you their new Destination Desert palette. My gosh, this palette, you guys, is gorgeous. Going on vacation, or if you guys are looking for a new everyday neutral palette, this palette has literally every color you need, and their shimmer shades are absolutely stunning, you guys. I used about like 5 eyeshadows to create this look, so hope you guys do enjoy this video because this palette is so cute, you guys. As always, if you are interested in the palette, I will leave a link down in the description box. So I'll be showing you swatches of this palette right here. Oh, did I forget to mention that this was in collaboration with Stephanie Lange, and when I posted this on my Instagram, so many people thought that this was me, and I'm like, yes girl, where? Yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this tutorial and you guys want to see swatches of the Destination Desert palette, then you already know what to do. Definitely before you go though, hit that subscribe button, that way you can be down with the Prima Donna Nation. And until next time guys, bye. So I'm starting with my base already on just to speed up some time, and I'm going to be showing you that new from Deck of Scarlet, you guys, introducing the new Destination Desert palette. I absolutely love this palette, you guys. This is actually the first palette that they launched with 10 full shades, and this palette also came with a duo-ended brush, which I thought was actually pretty dope, you guys. So before we jump into the tutorial, I'm actually going to be showing you some swatches of the Destination Desert palette, which includes 2 finishes. You get in this palette velvet matte finishes and also exotic shimmers, you guys, which were absolutely stunning. So I'm going to be swatching them from lightest to darkest, starting with the shade Sand, which was a velvet matte pale white shade. Then you also have this shade, which is Sahara, which is like a golden champagne type of shade. I really loved it. This shade Sunrise, it was like a medium yellowy orange. Then the shade Scorched was of course like a metallic bronze, beautiful shimmer. And then we have my favorite shade out of the palette, which is Wildflower, which is a really pretty medium pink with like a coral undertone. The shade Scorched is like a reddish coppery shade, so beautiful. Then this is the shade Nocturnal. It's like a deep plummy with a black undertone. The shade Mirage, oh my god, it's like a beautiful duochrome. It's like a pinky purple bluey green shift. The shade Canyon is a muted mid-tone chocolate brown. And then last but not least is Cactus, which is a beautiful green with gold undertones. So these are all the shades in the palette, absolutely stunning and perfect for literally like the warm weather coming up. So I'm taking the first shade, which is Sunrise, and I'm going to throw that into my crease. So to talk about the palette a little bit more and to talk a little bit more about Deck of Scarlet, they are a bi-monthly subscription, but starting this year they're actually going to be a every month subscription. So every month you're going to be getting goodies, you guys. I want to talk about the price point really quickly because Deck of Scarlet is actually super affordable. $29, and you get a full-size kit usually every month, or a full-size palette. And the great thing about Deck of Scarlet is that they're always collabing with YouTubers here on YouTube, like beauty influencers. So you're gonna get some really good stuff, you guys. They also are expanding their line. They're not only going to be doing eyeshadows and stuff. Last month I think they came out with like liquid lipsticks, so they're actually expanding their range of stuff, which I really like. Another cool thing about Deck of Scarlet is that you always get like a little preview of what you're gonna get in the month's subscription box. So if you're ever not feeling something in that month, you can always just skip, which I mean, why would you? Because they always have some poppin' ass shit, you know what I'm saying? I never skip a month, so yeah. But I'm just saying, if you wanted to, then you can definitely do that as well. So now that I have my beautiful sunrise, sunset inspired crease, now I'm actually gonna start working with the shimmers, and I like to lay down like a tacky base so that way my shimmer doesn't fall all over my face. So right here I'm using the Too Faced actually this is the Shadow Insurance, and I'm gonna take the really pretty champagne shade and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. But I definitely wanted to use that shade Scorched. Like I was fiending, like I was like, oh my god, I have to dip into this shade. So I decided to put this on the outer corner right to tie in the champagne into that nice plummy purple shade. And oh my gosh, you guys, these eyes, like I was gagging. I actually got so much love on IG when I posted this makeup photo. Like, you guys were really loving this look, so I had to put on, you know, a full-on tutorial for it, and I'm so happy that I did, because I actually loved, oh my god, I'm like getting so excited I can't even talk correct, but I actually love the way that these eyes came out. Like, one of my favorite neutral looks I've done in a really long time. And can we talk about the fact that Deck of Scarlet is actually 100% cruelty free? Yes, God, they're 100% cruelty free, paraben free. So if you guys were wondering, yes, they are. So throwing on some lashes to complete this look, then I decided to throw in some liner in my waterline and finish up these eyes with some mascara. My face was already done, like I said in the beginning, so I'm going to really quickly move on to highlight, and I'm using the Manny MUA Greek Goddess palette, and I'm going to use that first shade, that whitest shade, in my inner corner, and then I just decided to throw some copper glitter on my lower tear ducts, so that way these eyes could really pop, and that just did something, you guys. It was like wham bam, thank you ma'am. So now I'm just gonna highlight my face, because bitch, we need to be glowing for the gods, especially for this eye look. Like, I want to look like I'm sun-kissed. Like, if I was stuck in a desert, I will be a desert bad bitch with this palette, okay? Like, we'll be good on this side, don't worry. So I was completely out of frame when I was doing my lips, you know, typical Leslie shit. You know, I told you guys, I am not that great at filming. I don't even know, like, how I made this a career for myself, but whatever. So yeah, if you guys want to sign up for Deck of Scarlet to get that new shit every month, I will have a 30% off coupon code for new members, so definitely check out the description box. Finishing off this look with my Dewy Mist setting spray, you guys, and that's a wrap. This was my tutorial using the new Destination Desert palette. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Thank you all for watching. Comment below what you guys want to see next, and until next time, guys, bye.